To become children of the Most High God means to forgive selflessly, to give selflessly, and of course, to love selflessly. Happy and blessed seventh Sunday in ordinary time, brothers and sisters in Christ. Today's reading, we are challenged, reminded, or being invited with the requirements of becoming children of God. Jesus exhorted or reminding us the best we can do in order to respond to the call of being a children of God. He emphasizes mercy, love, giving, or generosity as its best. And by the end of his discourse, he said that the measure that you use is the measure that the Lord will use in times of reckoning. If we put it into reflections, brothers and sisters in Christ, as Christians, followers of Jesus Christ, we are called to live a life of being a merciful and loving, forgiving Christians. And how to do this is to become Christ-like. Christ gave everything for our salvation, love us selflessly, and forgive us so that we become children of God by adoption. If we put it in the perspective of faith, our relationship with God, so then we are called to live a heart like of Christ. It's difficult to put it into action, but by the grace and mercy of God, when we commit ourselves wholeheartedly to become children of God, therefore, magagawa natin ito. At magagawa natin ng paraan. By being like Christ. And what it means to become like Christ is to forgive selflessly, to give generously, and to love selflessly. Ito yung sinasabi na pagmamahal na uubusin ka, pagbibigay na uubusin ka, at pagpapatawad na uubusin ka. Magagawa lamang natin ito kung ang puso natin ay kagaya ng puso ng isang tunay na Kristiyanong Katoliko. Walang imposible sa mga puso na tunay na nag-aalay ng pagmamahal, pagpapatawad, at pagbibigay sa kapwa dahil diyan ay kinasihan ng Diyos. Uulitin ko, mga kapatid, kung ano ang ating binigay, itinanim, ay siyang ating aanihin sa bandang hinaharap. Jesus, in the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 15, verse 8, reminded us this. They serve and proclaim me by their mouth, but their hearts are far away from me. So then again, please in-tune our hearts to God so that we become more closer and intimate with Him. And and the manifestation of this intimacy with Him is our attitude, our life towards our brothers and sisters. Uulitin ko, kung gusto nating maging isang tunay na anak ng Diyos, magpatawad ng buong buo, magbigay ng buong buo, at magmahal ng buong buo, na walang hininging kapalit. As Jesus said, the measure that you use will be the measure will be used to you in times of reckoning. Happy 7th Sunday in Ordinary Time.